Hi, I'm Elizabeth Tomlin and I teach human physiology in the biology department. This is a pretty challenging course, and one of the biggest things that my students struggle with is knowing how to study for a course that is quite content dense but also requires them to apply the content that they're learning to higher order questions. To help them with this, last semester, fall 2022, I developed a new set of homework assignments in addition to their existing ones called skills and drills. And the difference with these ones is that they're very short and they're timed. So they're typically between 2 and 4 minutes, and the students have unlimited tries at them. So they can do them over and over till they get them completely right. And this is and this allows them to really learn the factual information or content that they need to use to answer higher order questions in the in-class tests and quizzes that we do. I'm using new Canvas quizzes because I can use a variety of different question types, like ordering things and categorizing, that just has them working with the content in different ways. So this is an example of one of them. So let me go into preview mode and I'll show you how it works. So the students have for this one 2 minutes, and you can see the time counting down at the top. This is one of the ordering questions, so they just have to put this process in the correct order, which is one that they need to know. And this is an example of a categorization question. So they've got two categories of things, and they have to decide which characteristics go with which category. I can't answer the question and talk to you at the same time. Anyway, so there we go. And then the third question is just sort of a straightforward matching question where they have to match signals with receptors. And again, this is something they just have to know in this course without even thinking about it. So when I decide how much time to give them for each particular activity, what I do is do the assignment myself a couple times and see how long it takes me to do it. And typically what I'll do is, if it takes me a minute to do it, I'll give them 2 minutes. I got that one in 50 seconds because I was talking to you at the same time. Anyway, I hope you try something like this if you've got courses that have lots of content in it that the students have to learn, and give them different ways in which you want them to give them opportunities to work with the content in different ways. And what I found is I was able to reduce my DFW rate last semester, and students said they really liked these assignments, and they don't count for very much of their course grade, but what I found was on the higher order questions where you just had to know this information to apply it to a new problem, they did a lot better than they have in the last few semesters. So I hope this is helpful.